everybody, my name is Ashley and I'm with Posh Crochet Patterns. Today is another macrame lesson. I will be teaching you how to make square knots. Square knots require 4 cords. So we have our 4 cords here. We will separate it like this. We will pinch just like this. We will take our other cord, we will cross over this, and we will go behind, and then we will pull this through there. So now we have like these little loops here. So we're going to take each strand and we're just going to go up. We're going to position it where we want it. We will take this end and pinch like this, take this cord, go over that cord and through this loop here. And that is a square knot. Now we can go over here to these 4 cords here and we can do the same thing. And we just pull it just like that. And we go over here to these 4 cords and do the same thing. And there you go. That's how you make square knots. Thank you all for watching. You have a great night. Thank you. Bye-bye.